We're continuing on the theme of high performance. We are in April. Q1 has gone. How clear are you and your teams on your goals for Q1? And where are you against Q1's goals, and how are you looking for the rest of the year? Okay, so a lot of businesses will start the year with the best intentions. A lot of leaders start the year with the best intentions. You sit down with your people, you have a conversation about what you're going to achieve in the year, and that's the last time you talk about it. The way to succeed with goals, with anything big you're trying to achieve, in terms of your own performance and your team's performance, get it documented, get it agreed, and then find a way on a regular basis to check in with your team. Your job as a leader is to help your team to create clarity around what they're trying to achieve, to prioritize what they're going to do to achieve it, then take action and hold them accountable to achieve the results they want. That benefits them, it benefits you as the leader, it benefits the organization. It's so simple. But in order to create that clarity and accountability, you've got to keep checking in with them regularly. How do you do that? First and foremost, you get that clarity up front, and then you get it documented. You use a simple tool to track it. If you don't have a tool, I have an amazing tool that I've developed. It's a combination of tools that I've used in the past, but also I've used the concept by an organization called Keller Williams. They have a principle they call the 1-3-5. I have a 1-3-3 plan. The one thing that you have to achieve in the year. The 3 things you're going to do that will enable you to achieve that one thing, and then the 3 activities that align to those 3 things you've got to do. Really, really simple. I've laid this out with a number of my clients. We use it every time I go to see them. We check in, we review it. Where are you against the 3 things you said you were going to do, and the 3 activities against those 3 things? How are you progressing against the goal? Once it's set up, everything else is absolutely easy. It's so simple, and my clients come now with it pre-filled. This is where I am, Justin, this is the gap. We use a really simple red, amber, green. I'm red here, I know I need to work on it, and I don't even have to hold them accountable. If you're a leader and you want your team to start taking accountability, get it agreed with them, find a tool that you can use that helps you to very simply and easily track their activities and their progress against those activities linked to the goal, and you are away. That sort of tool, whether it's mine or any other, will transform your ability to lead your organizations. So today, I'm posting a link to my free 1-3-3 tool. It's a simple Excel spreadsheet. I'll post you a link. You can go to the site, upload your email address, and download the form. If you have any questions about it, if you want a free session with me to talk through it, I will give you half an hour. I've carved out 10 30-minute slots in my diary over the next month. They're yours. First 10 people can get 30 minutes with me to talk through the tool, look at how you shape your goals or your team's goals, populate those 3 key areas, the 3 key activities for those areas, and make sure we're focused on the one thing that's going to make the impact in your business. I hope you're excited about that. Those sessions are completely free. They are first come, first served. I only have 10 slots. So get your name down, click on the link, download the tool, contact me directly through LinkedIn or through my contact page on LinkedIn, and then we will have a 30-minute session. If you want to cover that, great. If you want to talk about something else, very happy to do that as well. 30-minute sessions, free of charge. I look forward to catching up with you, and I'll see you on the next video in the Leadership Success Series from Focus for Growth.